Everybody, this is Garrett Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Wednesday, May 17th, 2023. I'm gonna try to keep this a little bit short. I had some oral surgery done today, and my face is pretty swelled up. But any case, so today actually did give us some information. Finally, we did break the first off. The descending bearish wedge. This is now gone. There is no, because we broke above this, so that doesn't, it doesn't make this market bullish, but what it does, it just removes that pattern. So you can see the bulls gapped it up through this resistance and then started coming back down. So if they're going to continue higher up to the, say, the previous high at the 41.88, what's going to happen is we're going to find support anywhere from the 41.47 down to the say the 41.36.28 area, somewhere in here. And the bulls will step in, and then from there we should see another move back up into this into the 41.89. Now, here's the one thing that I would just keep in mind here, just because we may not get up to these levels. And my reasoning is, look at these bearish divergences that are in place right here. We have the momentum that barely got over into solid territory, and we saw the S&P up 50 points. So there's something a little, let's just say, doesn't feel right about this, because when you get a move this fast, you should see this thing popping up pretty good. And we didn't really see that today. Maybe it fixes itself tomorrow. We have to wait and see. But for what we really want to do is, just use these strengths to short strength, because the bigger move is going to be coming to the downside, and we already know that what the catalyst could be. Meaning that if we get up to the top of this range, and like I've been saying, I do not believe that. I'm kind of on the side. I'm not saying I know this for sure, and it's that, but I don't believe they're going to come to a debt ceiling agreement. I just think the Democrats right now are just looking for an excuse, because they know that we are going to be heading into a recession, and we're already seeing big companies that are laying off workers. So they're seeing that decline, and what they're, if you hear their talking points on it, because the Republicans gave them over a bill, and they're sticking with, we're not negotiating, and that's not, that's not part of I don't even know what it is. It's stupid, because they're, we our debt ceiling. I mean, we have over 4 trillion dollars. So putting some kind of limits on it is really not that big a deal. And for even some of the things that are in it that the Republicans put in, meaning that with the people that are on unemployment, they got to show proof that they're trying to work. Right now, they're just getting free money, and that's why there's so many people that are on the, let's just say, sitting at home. There's more jobs available than there are people that are looking for work. So they got to get these people out there. Just giving them money is not helping anybody out. So I just think, again, I'm not 100% sure on this, but I would not be surprised if they sit there and don't come to an agreement, because I do believe McCarthy's going to dig in his shoes, and he's not going to budge at all. Just because I think he will get tossed out. He already said that, if he doesn't do what he said he was going to do, he could get bumped out. So he may, he could be the House leader for what, 5 6 months, and that's it. So they have him, let's say, by the short hairs, and he has to really follow these, the statements that he gave to these, to the progressive, let's say, Republicans there that voted him in, because he didn't have enough votes. So it's going to be interesting. So I don't think he's going to budge, and I don't, I think whoever is, given Biden the cue cards to read, they're not going to budge either, because like I said, there's a really, really good chance that we're going to be heading into a recession soon. They're going to be able to say, hey, the Republicans did this because they didn't pass the debt ceiling, which really has absolutely nothing to do with it. Um, but that's going to be their talking point as far as why we went into a recession. So it's like I said, I'm seeing some reasons why we will not pass one, but let's wait and see. I mean, if something like that happens, trust me, we're going to see a 150 point drop in the S&P. So that's the only reason why I'm mentioning it. And the thing is there's certain time periods that the Congress and Senate it takes for them to pass, and we're getting very close to those levels. So anyway, back to the charts. Sorry about that. If this support area holds here, 41.45 down to 41.30, and even down to I don't really think 41.09. If we come all the way back down here, I just think this was just a little blow off, little top, and squeeze some shorts out. So my guess is it's going to be anywhere from the 48, 47 down to the 48.30. This is where the support area will be. And if if the bulls can hold that and then give us some kind of rally to the upside, that's where I looked at. We're going to be getting a move somewhere up into the 40, 41.89, 4200, and where I'm going to be looking to take another quarter position. And I'm going to leave my powder dry for the one, let's say the very outside chance that that the Bulls can actually make it up to the 4300. So I don't think they do. I don't think they have gas in the tank. I think the news is just too bad for them. But we've been sitting patiently. We're finally looking like we're breaking out of this range, and that's it. Now, if we just look at here, here's actually the bigger range. So we've been stuck in this little range right here. Now we're breaking out of it, and you can see the bigger range. So that's resting down at 40.50 all the way up to the 41.87. So this would be the natural target if the bulls can hold it up. But like I said, these bearish divergences and sell signals, I don't think they're going to last up here, and that's why I want to be starting building the short position. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.